Here's the savory way to make your own strawberry pound cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line the baking dish with parchment paper. Zest and juice the lemon. Put the butter and sugar in a large bowl and beat with the mixer for 5 minutes until light and airy. Add the eggs. Add the lemon zest, yogurt, and milk to the butter mixture. Sift the flour and baking powder together. And gently fold into the batter. Pour the batter into the baking dish. Cut half of the strawberries into quarters and push them gently into the batter. Using a spatula, spread the batter so the berries are mostly below the surface. Bake at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes in the middle of the oven. Insert a toothpick after 40 minutes. When the toothpick comes out clean, the cake is done. Cool on a wire rack for 2 hours. The glaze is made by whisking together cream cheese, powdered sugar, and lemon juice until smooth. Spread the glaze over the cooled cake. Cut the remaining strawberries into quarters. And sprinkle them over the cake. Dust with powdered sugar. A fabulous dessert made the simple, savory way. Enjoy your strawberry pound cake.